Welcome to the Qi Gong 5-minute flow, shaping, cupping and Qi face massage. So to start with, connect with our lower dantian, centering ourselves and our energy, some deep breathing here, in through the nose, out through the mouth, to the area below our belly button, feeling calm, centered, grounded, present in your body. We're going to start with shaking the 1,000 diseases from the tree. So keeping the feet on the earth, we do deep breathing as we allow our whole body to shake, our arms to go floppy, our legs to bend and bounce, and allowing our whole body just to shake with the intention of releasing anything that does not serve us, releasing it to the earth to transmute. Shake it off. Breathing in and humming down. Breathing into the lower dantian, centering ourselves there. Okay, now we're going to do cupping. So getting your cupped hands, and we're going to stimulate all our lymphatic system, our blood flow, our Qi flow. Starting with our arms, coming down from the shoulders to our hands, on all sides of the arm. The chest and the torso, under the armpit, down the side of the body. Remember, the armpits are where a lot of lymphatic blockages can happen. Coming down the sides of the leg. So we want to go mainly down, but you can do some up as well to bring energy up from the earth. But we want to help our energy travel down to the earth so new energy can come up. The fronts of the legs. The inside of the legs, inner thigh, right up to the groin, coming up and down, helping to clear that energy line, that meridian channel. Backs of the legs, all the way to the ankles. And do some on our head. A bit more gentle here. Do on your neck. And also just revisiting anywhere you feel. But yeah, coming around the ear and then bringing that down the side of the neck and down the arm. Helps relieve any tension and pressure in our heads. Okay, rubbing your hands together for the face Qi massage. Getting that nice warm energy, cultivating that Qi. Then we're going to wash our face in that beautiful energy as though you're washing your face with water. Applying some pressure, rubbing your palms all over your face. And running your fingers back through your hair, down your neck. And then repeating. This helps to increase the blood and Qi flow around our face and our head. Can help relieve tension, and with the increased blood flow, it helps reduce the aging process. Keeping our skin looking healthy and connected with our Qi. Nice little neck massage, little neck rub. And splitting you're opening your hands, so you've got a forefinger in front, middle finger behind. Opposite way around actually, but yeah, so rubbing either side of your ears up and down to clear in any energy blocks or any tension that's there. Massaging around the neck, revisiting anywhere else around the head you want to. Smoothing the energy down to the earth. Reaching up, humming down to the lower dantian. Once again, grounding our energy here, breathing deeply into our lower belly. Centering ourselves. Feeling grounded in our energy. Massage in for later. Our energy store, clockwise massage. Reaching up, connecting to the earth and the sky, the clear channel. Hands down into your heart center in light and love. Visualize that golden light within, radiating out, and bow. Have a beautiful day.